This latest development marks another shift in control of Akobo, a town that has seen repeated battles in recent weeks. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and bring you updates as they unfold. The opposition group SPLA-IO announced on Monday that it has retaken control of Akobo, a strategic border town in eastern Jonglei State, after clashes with government forces earlier in the day. Jonglei State confirmed that SPLA-IO fighters entered the town in the morning and pushed out the South Sudan People's Defense Forces. He declared that Akobo is now under SPLA-IO control and urged residents who fled to Ethiopia or nearby areas to return home, saying the situation has stabilized. This marks another shift in control of Akobo, which government troops had captured in mid-March. The SPLA-IO fighters and civilians celebrating the takeover. Local sources also reported that Allied White Army militia joined the operation, which lasted about an hour. In a separate statement, SPLA-IO spokesperson Paul Gabriel said the groups Sector 3 forces seized Akobo County headquarters. In a 50-minute operation starting around 5:30 a.m., he added that opposition fighters captured several military vehicles and weapons during the battle. Meanwhile, SSPDF spokesman Maj Lul Ruai Kong said he could not comment yet, as he was awaiting directives from the army chief. This development marks the latest shift in control of Akobo, a town that has seen repeated battles in recent weeks. We will continue to follow the situation closely and bring you updates as they become available. Thank you for watching Naath Global News Channel. Stay informed and stay with us for more news.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on Naath Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent.
From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia,
to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined.
Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge and pride.
Uniting Africa through stories and culture.
Subscribe now to Naath Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.